Okay, so here we are in the bedroom, and we love everything about this RV so far. The one thing that we know that we would like to change is the mattress. It looks pretty nice when you're looking at it with the cover on there, but as soon as you pull the cover up, it's already wrapped in plastic, but when you sit on it, it's not comfortable. And then you look at how, what the depth of it is. I don't think anybody can find comfort in that amount of a mattress. It's very thin, very thin.
All right, as you saw, we brought the new mattress in. It's all wrapped up. Now we're going to open it up and let it expand. Okay, as you can see, we struggled with that a little bit, but it's up, it's inflating itself, and we're gonna let it completely decompress itself, and then we will come back and show you how it is. All right, folks, hey, we've had the bed in place now for 6 or 7 nights, so we decided to go ahead and film the last part of this video review, and wow, it's been great. Melinda and I are actually thinking about getting a new mattress for home, so we're thinking about one of these because it's just fantastic. I've slept great. I'm not a small guy, so a lot of times my shoulders or my hips sometimes fall asleep on a mattress that's not so comfortable. But this one, I slept great. 8 hours straight through the night.
I think we both have shoulder issues, and I know that some of the mattresses that we've used in the past, they're great for a little bit of while, and then all of a sudden my shoulder will just start acting up. But this time we've been on this mattress for a bit of time, and both of my shoulders, I wake up in the morning, I'm not waking up throughout the night, so it's been so far so good with the mattress, the way that it feels and it cushions. I think it's the memory foam that's in there.
Yeah, definitely.
I think that actually helps me sleep a little bit more. I'm also I sleep at night and I get really hot.
Yep.
And so that's been an issue where I'm using fans or other types of things, but I'm not using a fan at this moment, and so far the mattress has, again, helped me sleep through the night.
Well, they do say that there's that 2 inches of cooling gel, which seems to be working.
Yep.
So she sleeps really well, so that makes it great. Mm-hmm. They also have 6 inches of the coil. I'll pop up a picture somewhere here and show you the measurements, but it's roughly 10 inches high now that it's actually expanded. You saw us do that unrolling, and it took some time to actually get all the way up from its shipping size. But it's crazy how these things can expand over time.
Mm-hmm. And I think the other part is that it doesn't feel like a solid piece of material. With the coils in there, it actually makes it feel like a residential type of mattress, and when you're pushing down on it, it feels really comfortable. When you sit on it, it's not like a thud. You sink right into it. It feels really great.
Yeah. Oh, one other thing I wanted to call out, well, actually two. One, they have this on the bottom of the mattress that's like a non-skid. So when the RVs, it's usually wood and it could be slippery. So now when you get in and out of the mattress, it doesn't move around on
it doesn't shift.
Yeah, on your mattress or your bed pad. So that's kind of a neat addition, I think, to the mattress itself. Mm-hmm. And they have a whopping 20-year warranty. That's crazy. I've never owned a mattress that long, but okay. I look forward to being able to do a warranty thing in 15 to 18 years. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So all in all, we've slept super great. Looking forward to using this mattress over the life of our RV. We actually told the manufacturer of this RV to not ship a mattress with it.
Right.
They said they weren't going to, but they did. So you can see a picture here. I'll pop it up of the mattress leaving. We asked them to donate it to a local charity or somebody who could actually use it. The guys at the RV dealership are like, we don't know who wants these RV mattresses. So it's kind of an inside joke that nobody likes RV mattresses. So do yourself a favor, check out Mattress Insider. We are very happy. We got the Scarsdale model. They can customize the sizes to whatever you want. Ours was a little bit different. We told them like 80 by 72. That's an RV king size. But depending on whatever you have situation, maybe you have an angle you want, they can cut it at a different angle if you want to be able to walk around the mattress, or they can square it off. There's so many different RVs out there that they are very flexible on what they can provide you. So we're super excited about that. Hey, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye. So if you haven't done so yet, please remember to hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell so that it reminds you when we post new videos.